Mbote, Komonanga ezali Ruffin.
Komonanga is a Deborah. Today we're going to be playing a game called Song Association. We will be given a word in Lingala and we have 10 seconds to put that word in a song. And we both have to agree that it's an actual song.
That's right.
Sometimes we tend to make up songs.
Yeah, that's probably gonna happen, but let's do this. Libala. What does that mean?
Libala, Libala.
Is that a church song?
I
don't know that track.
You don't know that track?
I don't know that track, but that sounds like a good song though.
That's
so
the song.
we can
We're
say
lock
that's
it
one
in.
song. Is it the same song? Esengo ezali, something like that. Yeah? Yeah? We can lock that one in. Wow.
I know there's a Makoma song. Ozali
That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. That's a throwback for real.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, childhood memories.
I'm telling you. It's water, so this should be him.
Maya Mokili, like
Mai
I'm
na.
literally throwing every
Just word that you can. Okay, okay. Next one, next one.
Hello Koyo by Fally.
Hey, look. Yeah, that's the one. Hey, the man's hot right now, so.
Whoa!
Wow.
Whoa.
Bravo. Bravo. Wow, I'm impressed. I am impressed. I am impressed. I'm very impressed. What does that mean again?
I keep thinking Posa is like yeah, avoir envie.
Avant. Na força nangai na yo.
No, oh, I said Pesa. It's Posa.
Yeah. Pesangai. Ah.
No, did I already sang that.
Yeah. You keep singing the same song.
Likolo Pinase, na Likolo.
I don't know.
I know that's a song. Eza Likolo, Tokiti na Likolo, Toke nase, na Likolo.
Honestly, man, that was a big struggle. Because
Yeah.
a lot of these songs, we heard some songs when we were younger, but some of these new ones, we need to go back to our list of Congolese music and put ourselves on. What about you?
All I could think about was Makoma.
I'm
and
telling you.
every song was a gospel song. I couldn't think of anything other than gospel and Fally. Make sure to keep in touch and follow Yekola so that you can learn more lyrics in Lingala. Because, you know, it's not French every day.
No, it's not. And we definitely want to learn Lingala, so definitely follow the Yekola Lingala page. Yep. Wow, that was the toughest game ever. Wow.